huh? Hello, good day to all of you kiddos. Today we are going to continue our reading lesson. Reading by phonics sound or reading by letter sound. Hello, good day. Once again, this is teacher Gracey and I am going to continue my lesson on our reading. Now, we will proceed to blending with letter sound. Okay. Hello! Once again, I am teacher Gracey and I am here to continue our lesson on reading. We are going to read by blending the letter sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin with these letters. What sound do you see? Hmm. Say hmm. Small hmm. Big hmm. 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 What sound do you see here? S. S. Big S. Can you say it again? S. Good. Now let's have this one. A. 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 Yes. A. Big A. Big A. A. Correct. Now let's take a look. A. Hmm. A. Hmm. Let's blend. Say or pronounce the letter sound a bit longer. Longer. Say Can you do it? Follow teacher Gracey. One more time. Yes. Can you do it alone? Yes. Good job. Now, look. A, S, A, S. A bit longer. S. Let's do it one more time. S. Good. Can you blend them alone? Again, let me hear you. Yes, you can do it. You see, reading is easy. You read 2 words already. Let's review. A, correct. A, S, as. Yes. Wow. Now, let us have this one. Wow. You've got 3 letter sounds and we're going to put them together. Again, pronounce them a bit longer. Listen well. One more time. It's your turn. Good job. Can we say it together? Yes. Now we read 3 words already. Do you want to read some more? Of course. Look at this sound. Ah. Let's blend. Ah. One more time. Ah. Ah. What sound do we get? Ah. Good. Ah. Look, I'm going to add this sound. Do you see the double S? Okay, we will pronounce them as one, but a bit longer. It's easy. Listen to me. It's your turn. Wow, you can do it. Again. Yes. Mess. Mess. Good job. One more. Look, I've got a big a mm, sam, longer sam, sam. Wow. You are good. Now you alone. Let me hear you. Hmm. Again. Uh, good job. Do you want to learn more? Okay. Now look, I'm going to show you another letter sound. This is. Do you see this line? Yes. When you see this line, we say E. This is a long E. 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 Yes. E. Good job. Okay. Now, let's read this one. Hmm? E. 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 Let's do it again. Look, look at my mouth. E. 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 It's your time. One more time, please. Yes, this is read as me. One more word. Look. S- E, but we have another E. So you will pronounce it a bit longer again. Look at my mouth. See. See. Okay. Listen well. See. See. It's your turn. Oh, go. One more time. Good job. See. Hold on. Hold on. Look, I'm going to add this sound. We've got this sound. Now, let's blend them together. See. See. Wow. Can I hear you read these words again? Sim. What if I add this sound? Oh, wow. One, two, three, four, five. You are reading five-letter word. Hmm. This is a challenge, but I know you can do it. Let's try, okay? Hold on. Okay. Are you ready? Let's do it. Seems. We do it! We do it! Now, one more time. Seems. Oh, that's a bit long. Okay, now our lesson will end here for a while. I hope that you go back to the first part of this video and practice sounding the words. Okay? I believe in you. I know you can read the words here. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you in my next class. Bye. See you again. Oh, I know you enjoy this. As much as you like to read with Teacher Gracie, please like, click the like button below and subscribe to my channel so you can avail the next video coming soon. Yes! Again, see you!